Attention all juniors and seniors. Make sure you have no hold so you can buy a prom ticket.
For this year, the prom's theme is Vegas, and the colors are red, silver, and black.
Also, everyone, don't forget to prepare for your EOIs this month.
The first EOI will be April 14th.
Oh, it's already time to start making our trip of technology in Ponca City Schools. I'm Marcia Johnson.
And I'm Avery Juris. We'll be your tour guides today. Today we're sharing some exciting things that are going on inside the classrooms of West Middle School and Ponca City High School. Our teachers have been engaging students with the new technology that our schools have received. Let's take a look at Mr. Gillen's technology engineering class at West Middle School, which is supported by the funds from Oklahoma State Department of Career and Technology Education.
As you will see, the students at West Middle School have gained many new skills while exploring the new technologies that are available to them. Let's see what students at West Middle School are learning thanks to the extra funding Mr. Gilman's program receives through Career Tech and Carl Perkins funding. This is definitely a hands-on program. As you can see, students work on physical drawings of models that are then created using CAD and a Google SketchUp program. This experience allows students to use different levels of learning by going from concrete to abstract thinking. To excite students about learning, students use graphic design programs where they design and make pretty cool t-shirts. Besides creating items for themselves, students learn entrepreneurial skills by designing and selling creations that they make. This generates funds for their student organizations where they use their skills to compete against each other and earn awards. I find it interesting that students in Mr. Gilman's class are doing a project similar to the one that was done by my friend and who is pursuing a degree from the College of Engineering, Technology, and Construction Management. In this project, students build bridges in model form. Granted, their projects are not put to the strength test that my friend's project was, but by a way for the students to gain a better understanding of the real-life skills needed in the workplace. Another hands-on component that is incorporated to develop problem-solving skills is students design and build their own powered simple machines with Legos like this one. Using mathematical concepts and basic mechanical design, a simple toy becomes a learning tool. As you can see in these pictures, awesome products are made by West Middle School students using the huge laser engraving machine purchased with Carl Perkins funding. These are more of the items that students create, which help students to learn various technology skills. It also helps to create entrepreneurial skills. Money generated by the sale of these items helps to pay for the activities these students do in their technology student organization. Computers and computer simulations are a main ingredient in this class. These young ladies are working on building a car with the emphasis of mechanical and body design. Once built, they test their car design using the same simulation while playing a game while actually working. Wow, sounds like my kind of job. Education is a team sport in the Ponca City Public Schools. Not only do our different school sites work together to create great learning experiences, we work with the community and the Pioneer Technology Center. The Pioneer Technology Center Met's trailer came to visit the students at West Middle School. This program promotes and develops careers in the manufacturing industry by providing hands-on technology encounters for young adults. The students at West Middle School have gained many new skills while exploring the new technologies available to them. Let's see what students at Ponca City High School are doing with Avery.
Technology is incorporated in a variety of ways at POHI. This year, POHI was offered a challenge to participate in the Hour of Code. This challenge is designed to initiate curiosity of computer science and coding for students. POHI students completed 10,015 lines of code in 2 days. As you can see, many staff and students worked hard to complete our 10,000 line goal. Mr. Delbeck, our soon-to-be high school principal, also completed 20 levels of programming to earn his certificate. It was an exciting time to see our students and staff working side by side to complete this challenge. Even our administration uses technology. Mr. Marshall, our principal, uses Google Drive to upload reports so administrators will receive it instantly. Ms. Gooch saves time by using Google Forms to schedule parent-teacher conferences. Our science department uses technology and hands-on components to create a deeper understanding. As you can see in these pictures, in geology, Mr. Grimes works with students involving plate tectonics. To help the students comprehend, they create maps and show the movement of the plates. In the final stage of the lesson, students run a simulation of the plates moving from the time of Pangea to present day. In Mr. Murray's class, they build physical and digital models of mitosis. From concrete to abstract, the students work to create dynamic structures and collaborate in groups. Many of our instructors prefer using ActiveSlate that our local school system has provided. Ms. Kalivas and Ms. Williams have both stated that they like the freedom these slates provide in the classroom. Instead of standing in front of the Promethean board to navigate the screens, and to write, the Active Slate allows them to stand or move anywhere in the room and control the board wirelessly. Besides teaching, they can easily manage any student who might not be on task without stopping what they're doing. All they have to do is walk to that student's desk. Ponca City High School is one of the schools that have a one-to-one initiative. Each student has their own laptop available to them 24/7. Another fact is that Ponca City has free Wi-Fi that anyone can use. This means all our students have access to a computer and the internet. Not all school systems can say that. With the addition of Google Drive this year, our students are able to collaborate on group projects and share them with their teachers without having to use a single sheet of paper. Students can also participate in group projects if they're homesick or out on an extended absence using Google Drive, the free software. Pretty cool, right? Because of Carl Perkins funding, the Business and Information Technology Education Department, or BITE for short, has been able to add numerous hands-on components that help develop a variety of student skills at Ohio. The school administration has been very supportive in helping the program reach new heights by allocating rooms for the creation of the BITE print check and the Cat 5 new studio. This year, our labs were updated with new computers thanks to a local bond issue. These new computers allow courses to use Adobe products which were purchased through the Carl Perkins funding. In addition, a second monitor was added so that students could be more productive while in the classroom. These stations are used by students learning Adobe InDesign, Photoshop, Premiere, Bridge, and After Effects. Using dual monitor is a huge advantage because two programs can be opened at one time. Students use the Adobe programs to create designs that are taken and used to create items in the BITE print check. Window decals, mouse pads, and license plates are just a few of the items created once students develop a design. We gain hands-on entrepreneurial skills by using technology skills we've learned to create items that we market and sell to individuals or groups. A really exciting addition to Ponca City High School is the Cat 5 new studio. As a matter of fact, that's where we filmed this video using our green screen. Thanks to our administration and Carl Perkins funding, we have a totally functioning studio where we create newscasts for the school. We use the whisper room and audio board to create voiceovers for the use in videos. We also create a variety of other videos that are used at school or entered into competitions. After we finish this video, we will film the Student Council officer election speeches that will be viewed by POHI students. 2 videos created by our video teams are top 5 finalists in the Oklahoma Department of Labor's Workplace Safety Video Contest. We learn where they place in April 9th. As you can see, we learn a variety of skills to prepare us for the future.
These hands-on activities keep us interested and motivated to learn. Education is no longer about just reading a book. It involves so much more.